Hey, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing and application video. So here I have my Saviland professional nail system. I'm just showing you the back and all the links that are attached, and that is the barcode number. Just pause the video to view it. Oh, sorry for the background noise. The ghetto. Nah, I'm kidding. Yeah, so this is the liquid acrylic or monomer. It's very small. Like, I think everything that came in here was very small, but then again, it's only for me, and I would not be applying any of this professionally like the box says. But it does come with the instructions on the box on how to actually use the monomer. This is the acrylic. When I say it's super small, it is super small. It reminds me of a large Blistex. So I have 3 colors: clear, white, and pink. Now this is for the gel polishes. I do have some warm tips on the back on application. I think I didn't read it though. So we have white. Tried my damnedest to get this open. It was sealed tight. My toddler ended up opening it. That's pink, nude, foundation gel, and top coat. So in this box is the accessories kit. It does come with the instruction manual on how to use the tools that are inside of here and how to properly apply them. So this is just me giving you a quick view of it. It comes with instructions on the front and the back. These are the 3 brushes that came with, 12, 10, and 8. These are style brushes, I would call them. Not the direct name for it, but these are the glitters that it came with. This is carving acrylic, and this is the fine glitter. I love the multitudes of color they all came in. So this is the pack that came with some starter fingers to try it out, the tips to put in the fingers, a glass dish for your monomer, separators for your toes, some more rhinestone colorful ones. Those are the rest of the tools. I didn't really open these packages because it was pretty much visible. This is the nail tips that it came with and the glue. So today I will be doing my own acrylic for my toes, and I'm going to be using Saviland professional nail system that I got from Amazon. I think it was about $30. So right here I'm just clearing my toenails. I just took off an acrylic set that I had on before, and it was poorly done. I did it myself. So this is my first go around, but it's my first try with actually Saviland. The one that I had before was from the beauty supply store. So now I'm just prepping my nails by just filing them up, etching them a little bit. No, this one, I think it was that one and that one that hurt a little bit. But yeah, my video cut up. Now I'm applying some acrylic. I did prime and dehydrate before this, so we're good. This is the basic acrylic application. I'm not a professional, so I'm doing my best. The thickness may not be where they would be at the salon when they do it, but I'm not a fan of how thick it is at the salon. But that does make it weaker and more susceptible, I think that's how you say it, to cracking or breaking. But there isn't a particular technique that I'm using. I watched a few tutorials and I'm just trying my best. So it was over the amount of acrylic that I needed, so I kind of had this Q-tip kind of thing, but it came with this a lash kit that I had, and I just used it to wipe it off. Now we're on to the big toe. It does look a little crazy in the shape, but that's pretty much because when nail grows, it is very fragile. It's frail. That's why I actually got acrylic onto them, because I cannot grow my nails out so I can shape them the way I want. So that's why I apply acrylic. I took a small bead, and that is my fault, so I think I did have to apply a few separate beads to this, and it gave me such a headache. It was not on camera, unfortunately, so you could see what not to do, but yeah. Plus, it wasn't the best angle. Like, I'm trying to get the best angle for you guys to see it, but it's not the best application angle for me, so kind of had to do this one a few times, in the sense of like applying acrylic and then filing it down and reapplying acrylic. But in the end, you'll see how it comes out. It's also a challenge because I'm missing the toenail on the side, and I'm not using like a form underneath, or what is that thing called? The silk wrap, I think. See, like stuff like that would have helped, but it's just like I'm applying acrylic to empty space, and it's kind of just on the skin of my toe, you know? So it's a little questionable, the application, but hey. So I finally finished up my application. My nails are set, so I'm just gonna file those down. You did see me start at the middle toe because I already started before the video was recording, and you know, kind of gotta spruce them up. They look so weird, like just this high color pink that's slightly transparent. So yeah, I am not a professional, and this is not a professional file. I bought this on Amazon like a year ago. It says like it's a mini grinder. It has 3 speed settings into the thousands, I think. I said 3 and like, oh my god, I'd be lying. It's 5. Alright, now I am squaring them out, making it nice square shape. Period. That's probably hurting. I think this part is called the sidewalk where I'm filing down. Yeah, so on my sides, making sure that it's the correct width and that I get that sharpness. Making sure that the front is also nice and straight. My toes do kind of like turn, they're not perfectly straight, so I'm doing it to how I see it looks nice in the way my feet lay. See, now I'm on the big toe. This toe gave me so much trouble this night because it was not looking like the other foot. And the other foot I did the opposite night before. Yeah, but it was giving me so much trouble, and I was having such a hard time. But ultimately, it came out looking nice. I did have to put in a little extra work on it. But now I finished that up. I did that all off camera. So now I am trying to apply my polish. I did not use a brush because it makes sense. Well, it is a brush, but not like the brush that it came with, because I'm trying to do a French tip. and that would have been too wide of a brush. So I took the finest brush that I had that came with this little kit. And I'm sorry it is out of frame, but I think it's only for like the pinky toe. So I'm just going to be quiet because it's just me applying the polish pretty much after this. And there isn't a particular method. I've seen tutorials about this, so I kind of just remembered what they've done and tried my best to recreate that for the French look. I actually loved how this came out. Like, so satisfied. Look how adding that white just changes the whole look of the acrylic in the nails. Like, oh my god. But I'm done. I polished my top coat on and I'm just applying some cuticle oil. Applying some cuticle oil on my ashy little toes. And I did try to get a shot or a frame with both feet, but hey, I guess I'm not the best at positioning, but at least you got to see one. Right, I think I did insert some photos at the end of how they look together. Thanks for watching my video to the end, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.